for the entire world in more ways than one. What with the pandemic affecting us and our borders going through a tough phase with 20 of our brave soldiers laying down their lives for the nation. All of us were grief-stricken when we saw the great sons of the soil being carried in the tricolour. At this solemn moment, it is our duty to keep reminding ourselves of the great responsibility on our shoulders. We need to build a nation which is free from poverty, illiteracy, and communal conflicts. This perhaps would be our true homage to the martyrs.
A sacrifice is a sacrifice only when there is a greater good. For our soldiers, our nation has always been the greatest good. To risk one's life for something you believe in is truly the definition of nobility. A simple salute shall not suffice the amount of bravery that these soldiers have shown in the face of death in the Gulwan Valley. It is truly an honor to be considered born of the same soil as these soldiers who fight relentlessly for our safety. जय हिंद की सेना।
हम जो चले थे रक्षा को वतन की, फना होने का डर नहीं था। जी जान से लड़े थे दुश्मन से उस दिन, शौर्य का ऐसा कहीं मंजर नहीं था। लहू बहा और बहाया भी, छल किया दुश्मन ने और गुर्राया भी। हमने डट के दुश्मन को जवाब दिया, जान पे खेल गए और सरजमी को अपनी महफूज किया। मिल जाओ माटी में भले ही, कफन मेरा तिरंगा हो, कफन मेरा तिरंगा हो।
Indian Army. When we utter these two words, our heads bow down with respect and gratitude to their sacrifice and nobility. Pain of losing our soldiers while protecting our motherland at the Galwan Valley can't be put into words. Each and every one of them deserves our utmost respect. If there is some truth in the phrase, कुछ बात है जो हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, it is because of their immeasurable valor and sacrifices. सरहद पर मर मिटने वाले देकर कितने पैगाम गए, हाँ अपनी खून की स्याही से वो लिखकर हिंदुस्तान गए।
गलवान घाटी में हुआ है जो कारनामा, भूले तो नहीं होगे हमलाए पुलवामा। पर उन परिवारों का क्या जिनके बेटे हुए शहीद, घर हुए खंडर और मन हुए सुनसान। जरूरत नहीं है सबके नाम रखे जाए यार, पर यादों में रखे उनकी शान, उनकी पहचान, जिसके बलबूते पर टिका है हमारा हिंदुस्तान। World's fourth largest powerful military, that our Indian Defence Force works in world's toughest battlefields. They serve our country in extreme conditions. They are our real heroes. This is dedicated to all those whose each breath was for country, whose heartbeat had one name India, who lived for the country, who died for the country. Salute to all those brave hearts of India.
War. The bluster hints towards the oppression about to begin. Stoned on the greatest myth of all time, it says Clausul is the one who defies all odds, for whom bloodshed is worth a dime. The skies drizzle pain, the flies wailing do the math, for this war rambles on, tired, sorrowed, sheltering, canopying the demons who cause the wrath.
The violent face-offs have created a feeling of distrust in the minds of every Indian citizen against China. The death of our heroes has enraged a fire within us. People are coming together boycotting China to avenge the death of our heroes. I feel it's time for us, the citizens, to express our gratitude and do something for our brave hearts who sacrifice their lives daily in order to protect us. People in and around India in danger or in need of help from violence will never be scared, for they will always be under the protection of the fallen. Long live my country and long live its soldiers.
चुक दाना मिट्टी से कुछ पंछी मुक्त हो गए, फिर कुछ लाल भारती के अमर शहीद हो गए। करो नमन उनको जो देश के लिए शहीद हुए, अपने वतन के लिए खुद को आसमां में रोशन कर गए। पैदा हुए एक माँ से जो देश के बेटे बन गए, पैदा हुए एक माँ से जो देश के बेटे बन गए, पूरे देश का सर गर्व से ऊंचा कर गए। चुक दाना मिट्टी से कुछ पंछी मुक्त हो गए, फिर कुछ लाल भारती के अमर शहीद हो गए।
For godless souls that died so young will be known in heaven as brave hearts of nation, who fought for their country without any weapon. For not many people are willing to sacrifice their lives, face death every day, so that the people of their nation survive. Oh dear soldier, the way you fought was courageous and made the enemy stop and appreciate the bravery you had. We owe you a lot, even God knows that. Jai Hind, Jai
Our
Bharat.
flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of every soldier who died protecting it. This was once again proved by the valorous souls of our Indian Army, who laid down their lives in the service of the motherland. When the children of these brave hearts are asked about their fathers, they simply smile and say, "He had a mother who needed him more than we did." We salute the courage and the willingness to sacrifice of our soldiers and their families, as it is all thanks to you that we live in safety and
Greater love has no one than this, that one lay down his life for friends. Today, with pride and gratitude, we remember our brave hearts who laid down their lives for the protection of their one love, India. Many a times we just reduce our martyrs to numbers. But do we realize that one of them was about to get married soon? Another one had recently become a father. And yet another had promised his grandmother that he'll be home as soon as the lockdown ends. Let's all remember that they were human beings just like you and me, with families, names and stories, but did not hesitate for a moment when it came to the protection of their country, their citizens. Let's not forget this. Let's not forget them. Jai Hind.
Patriotism is a religion and religion is love for India. Once spoken by our great leaders, Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, we salute to the martyrs of Galwan Valley. A soldier never dies. When we are sleeping peacefully in our homes, he is the one serving for us at the border with a smiling face. I dedicate these lines to the martyrs of Galwan Valley. जब भी जिक्र हीरों का होगा, नाम सबसे पहले भारत के वीरों का होगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Going through the news and media reports, one can imagine what all our brave Indian soldiers had to undergo in the snowy, rocky and unfriendly terrains of Ladakh. They complied with the agreement to prohibit the use of guns and explosions and at the same time secured the integrity of our borders. War has always been the most destructive and pitiless of all human activities. No doubt, combat kills, maims and terrifies, but on the other hand, it also reveals the power of brotherhood and a selfless sense of purpose. And that purpose is our duty as citizens towards this country. We will forever be indebted and eternally grateful towards the supreme sacrifice made by the brave hearts of our Galwan Valley. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Proud to be an Indian.